Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara, and in today's video, we're going to be freshening up the bedroom, adding a little bit of Christmas cheer in here, and then we're going to work on the bathroom a little bit. So let's just get started. So we ended up picking up a new bedspread. We got it at TJ Maxx. I saw it and I fell in love with it. It just looks so warm and comfortable. But I know y'all be asking because a lot of y'all love my old bedspread, but we'll bring it back out in the summer. So we've both made a little habit of throwing our junk up on the top of our dressers. I guess because we don't have the nightstand no more, it's just easier to throw it up here. In my bottom drawer, I kind of keep all my paperwork and my mail and my junk. But it's just easier just to throw it up here. But we both are going to start working on that so we can keep the room a little bit more tidier. So I'm just sweeping up this change here. I'm going to put it in my little fund over here that you're about to see. We actually started this fund when we bought the house because I really wanted an in-ground pool. And we were throwing all kind of money in there. But now I think I've changed my mind since we have the pool, but it's not in-ground, but it's still pretty much the same thing. So we might use that for something else. Maybe my dream front porch. I already have my dream back porch, so maybe we'll do that. But anyways, a few years ago, we actually did this thing called Dimes for Disney. You get a 2-liter bottle, and by the time you fill it up with just dimes, you have enough to go to Disney World. We took our family of 4 to Disney World with that little trick, and we brought money home. So try that. So I'm lighting one of my favorite candles here. This is from Bath & Body Works. One of my friends, Brandy, she knows how much I love these things. She actually tells me when they're going to have all the good sales and hooks me up. So thank you, Brandy. And thanks for being a great friend. Anyways, y'all, they're getting ready to have their candle sale, so don't miss it. If you don't know, these candles make your whole house smell good. They're my absolute favorite. Any of them, I'll take any scent. This little couch here in front of the bed is actually 2 of the pieces from our big couch. We actually moved them. If you watched the Christmas video, you know why, but we moved them so we put the Christmas tree in front of the windows. So for now, they're just kind of hanging out in front of the bed. We like to sit here and watch movies. It's pretty comfortable, but as soon as the holidays are over, we'll put it back out in the living room. I found these beautiful new curtains at Goodwill. They're actually one of the Target brands, but I'm going to be taking down them boho-y curtains that I put up whenever we did the boho room makeover, and now we've changed it back to the farmhousey, so I'm going to just take those down and switch them out.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing.
I picked up this laundry detergent from a little boutique. The scent is Volcano. I'll try to link it down below if I can find the actual link for it. But anyways, I like to sprinkle a little bit on my carpet, let it sit for a few minutes, and then vacuum it up. It leaves my room smelling so good. This stuff is amazing. I'm going to try to find it for y'all.
Something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah.
Alright, so I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. They had different ones. They had one to eliminate smoke odors, and this one was just an air freshener. It had 2 in 1, like I said. They smell so good. I've never seen them at our Dollar Trees, but I actually found this when we went to Pennsylvania, so I picked up about 10 of them. I'm glad I did because they smell so good. If you see them, go ahead and grab them.
Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
You guys are going to love this purse. I want to say thank you to Teddy Blake for sending this over for my Christmas present. Guys, check out this beautiful red purse. These things are genuine leather, made in Italy. Mine is the Bella Vitello 12-inch in the color red. And this is the perfect Christmas purse. I mean, it could go with everything, any outfit, and it's just going to make your outfit pop. Y'all, check out their website. I'm going to link it down below. Make sure you check out all their fun new colors. They have some beautiful colors, y'all, and some beautiful new styles. And thank you again, Teddy Blake. I really appreciate it.